Good evening, everyone. This man you're about to listen to, his name is Sheikh Daura. Now, I want you to pay attention to what he's saying. This is in Hausa language. For those of you who don't understand Hausa at all, I will explain it to the best of my knowledge. So take a listen to what he said.
Duk wanda ya ga abin da aka yi a wannan satin biyu na tsince yara da muka yi 230 ba su kai duk 230 ɗin nan ba wanda ya shekara 15. Yanzu haka suna nan a kam na alhazai. Wannan danka ɗaya ce fa kaɗai, mun yi tracing akwai yara irin wannan sun kai 5,000 da suke gararan ba akan titi da tashoshi. Danka ɗaya ɗiba ɗaya ce muka ɗebo 230. Saboda gurin da za a aje sun iya abin da zai iya ɗauka kenan. Mai girma gwamna ya yadda ya amince ya ba da haɗin kai ya goyi baya ya tanadi abubuwan da ya kamata a aje ma yaran nan kafin a tattara su. Waɗannan yara mun same su a gurare daban-daban, wasu ma kafin mu zo sun mutu, domin an samu gawawwakin wajen guda 4 wanda sun riga sun mutu sanyi da ciwo da zafi na raɗaɗin ciwo ya kashe wasu akan titi. Lokacin da muka je karfe 1 dare zuwa karfe 3 dare, ka dai ga duk mai uwa ya tafi wajen uwarsa, duk mai makaranta ya tafi wajen makarantarsa, duk mai gida ya tafi gidansa. Ba mu fara wannan operation ba sai karfe 1 dare. Kafin karfe 3 dare muka tsinci waɗannan yara a cikin gadoji da tashoshi da cikin kasuwanni. Kafin mu yi wannan sai da muka kira shugabannin kasuwanni muka zauna da su cewa akwai yara ƙanana da suke kwana a cikin kasuwa, a nan suke rayuwa, a nan suke girma, a nan ne makomarsu. Muka kira shugabannin tashoshi da ake da su a Kano, su ma muka yi musu bayani muna son mu shirya tsince yara da suke kwana a cikin tashoshi a ƙarƙashin teburan masu shayi da ƙarƙashin motoci da makamantansu. Muka kirawo shugabanni waɗanda suke kula da control na kan hanyoyi muka yi magana da su. Wasu ma yaran mun same su ne a wani gidan kallo, wanda shi wannan mutumin ya buɗe 'yar ƙaramar sinima ce. Idan yaran suka je suka yawo, wani ya yi sata, wani ya ɗauko kayan mutane, to a wannan gurin suke zuwa su biya kuɗin kallo, su biya kuɗin kwana. Wannan teburan da ya sanya da bencina wanda yaran suke yin kallo a kai, to kuma in yaro ya biya kuɗin kallonsa ya biya kuɗin kwanansa, sai ya haɗa da kwana da kallo, washe gari kuma sai a sake shiga gari a tafi nema. Mun samu wasu suna rayuwa a railway ɗin nan kaɗa ko tun daga hanyar Madobi haka zo gidan Tahir. Akwai wasu 'yan tashoshi da aka yi ƙanana lokacin da aka ce railway zai dawo. Waɗannan tashoshi da railway ɗin ya daina zuwa sai ya zama nan ne wurin kwanansu, nan ne gurin haihuwarsu. Wasu ma a nan aka haife su, a nan suka girma, a nan suka tashi. Hatsarin wannan shine time bomb ne. Waɗannan yara da suke girma a titi, ba wanda ya tausaya musu ya kai su makaranta, ba wanda ya tausaya musu ya kai su asibiti, ba wanda ya tausaya musu ya musu tarbiya, ba wanda ya ja su a jiki. Za su tashi da ƙeƙashasshiyar zuciya, za su tashi da rashin tarbiya, za su tashi da rashin tausayi, za su tashi da rashin kirki. Da an samu wani mugu mai mugunta a zuciyarsa, ya zo ya ɗauki makamai ya ba su, ya ce duk inda ku ga mai arziki ku harbe shi. Wallahi ba ta'addancin da ba za a yi da yaran nan ba. Domin yanzu abin takaici ma da muka zo mun tantance, domin akwai kwamishinan lafiya ya kawo mana likitoci da aka zo tantance yaran marasa lafiya, mun samu guda 15 suna ɗauke da ciwuka masu hatsari. Ɗaya ma a lokacin zanga-zanga an harbi ƙafarsa, harshashi na nan a cikin ƙafar, ba a yi wani aiki ba, haka yake ta yawo da dangale ƙafar. Mun samu wasu guda 15 daga ciki, su kuma suna ɗauke da wato ciwon hanta. Da aka zo aka tantance, hatta jami'anmu da suka yi operation ɗin an ce su ma sai an musu rigakafi, domin wannan ciwon hanta zai iya kama wanda ya je kusa da yaron ma ya mu'amala da shi. Mun samu guda 15 da wannan. Mun samu yaran da muka ga ba sa iya zama, mun ɗauka ma ko lalata musu dubura akai. Da aka zo muka kira mata suka zo aka kwakwaɓe su, sai aka samu ciwo ne na ƙazuwa ya cinye duburar yana miki. Haka in kuka ga bidiyon da mata suka dinga yi musu wanka miki na zuba, wallahi mutum yana da imani sai yayi kuka.
Now, how many of you remember this video I made 4 days ago where the Nigerian police intercepted, they called them Almajiris, minors, and I think there are some people who are aged among them. They intercepted them in Abuja. They said they were coming from Kano State and they were heading to southern Nigeria. And one senator came and helping to facilitate their release because police was trying to do investigation. Who is trafficking you people? Where are you people going in? And all those things. Now, what this man is saying, Sheikh Daura, he's just speaking the truth. He's just saying the thing as it is. What he's saying is that people, children who are on the streets, and the question to these children is that where are they coming from? These people, they say sometimes they will steal money to go to the cinema, to pay people in cinema just for them to sleep there in one day. Most of them have diseases and so on and so forth. He says so many things, but it's all about number of people, number of children who are in the street, who are their parents, where do they come from? And this is the reason why the North is, systematically breeding terrorism and spreading it to everywhere. Tell me, the number of children that were going to the South, what were they going to do? This number now, this man is complaining. I reported this to you in my last video, right? Sorry. This number that this man is now complaining about. If you meet these people now, these children, carry gun, give them. They are already in the bush terrorizing. Tell me, how can this country go forward? How can this country go forward? The question I'm still asking is, have you ever seen a mother or a father who will have children and abandon their children? That raised the question to, where are they coming from? Or all those girls that Boko Haram are kidnapping, are they impregnating them and sending them back into the town? It is time that we begin to ask questions because I am no longer comfortable with it. The reason why I'm not comfortable with it is because this is becoming holistic. People will say, oh, it's not now. If it is not now, no, it's not now. They are your villages. They are your villages. If they give them gun, they'll come to your villages, they terrorize, they kill you. I think, the way the different culture, different people, the way, even though we are all brothers like black men, as a black man, all the whole black men are your brothers, okay? But that does not mean that we have the same culture. I think the best thing Nigeria could do at this moment is either have a referendum to divide the country, or the least they can do is just to return Nigeria to regional autonomy. Every region have your own, even if possible, your own law. Have your own security, everything, because this thing can't continue like this. So, because people are after their daily food, they are not seeing what is taking their daily food out of their table. You can't go to your farm any longer. You don't know that such a thing is the reason why you are not going to farm. Tell me, what is the future of these people? During the time of Goodluck Jonathan, this is what Jonathan was trying to do. But they came against him. And look at. In my last video, I reported about how they were importing people from all parts of the country. People are joking. They think that, oh, this guy is just reporting it. No. Have you ever seen any video that I made here? Nigerian police will come out to say, or debunk the news. No, because I don't come out to camera to speak because I want to speak. Everything I'm saying, I verify it down to the road before I come here to tell you what I'm saying. So when I'm telling you something, take it serious. It is happening. They are coming. There is no two ways about it. What happened during 2020 COVID-19 when there was lockdown, trainer of Dangote truck moving people from north to south. We are in one country now. Even though we want the country to divide, we're in one country now, we know. But that does not mean that people will come and live in your bush. People will come. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. They not have the capacity to build their own country and develop it like Dubai. The West have the capacity to build their own country and develop it. Every state, even as small as Edo State can be a powerful country. Let's not deceive ourselves and face the fact we can continue like this.
That's when the Abokari later goes to meet in US and he was not arrested. And they arrested Nnamdi Kanu. Because there's a mission. People have to understand that. And we are still in one Nigeria. Unity of Nigeria is what you need. So you are not ready for unity of Nigeria. That is what I see and I understand you. And that thing cannot work. You can go ahead, do anything you want. 2027 will flush you out with your message to Central Bank Governor, Femi Cardoso, CBN Governor. You want to reduce 1,000 from to disengage them from their work, and you expect to spend 50 trillion. Why? All you are dissing is the billion, 50 billion. You bought a vehicle, 6 vehicles, 10 billion. Yemika Doso. Then now you want to disengage people on, and they are dissing all the money involved is 50 billion. Why? You own all is billion. You don't have thousands. It's billion, from billion to trillion. What are we talking about? Okay, those people that you want to engage, last one you remove them, you bring Yorubas. Are we in Yoruba Central Bank? We don't have north, east, south. No way. We are not in Central Bank. If your Oga send you there to disengage the whole northern and south, we will not accept it, Oga. Do all what you want to do. 2027, yourself and your master, you will flog you out. Because south and east, you didn't even want us to be in there. And we will not tolerate it any longer again. It will be seen that you are putting it only in one side, because last time you disengaged directors. You get 5 from the north, 6 from the south, and all those who remain, only you replace them with Yorubas. Why? Are we not Nigeria? Don't we vote Bola Tinubu? Why is it treating us like this? Why? Is it because our vote is a cost to us in the north and the east and the south, and you say we are one Nigeria? This is Odudua. It's not a distance. It's Odudua. We have said it. That is why Sunday Agbokare later goes to meet in US and he was not arrested. And they arrested Nnamdi Kanu. Because there's a mission. People have to understand that. And we are still in one Nigeria. Unity of Nigeria is what you need. So you are not ready for unity of Nigeria. That is what I see, and I understand you. And that thing cannot work. You can go ahead, do anything you want. 2027, we'll flush you out with your Oga. We will, the way Anyefele, see how Anyefele it is. You're still facing the cases. You will face those cases in the court. Just wait the time to come. You will see it, inshallah.